let's learn how you can fix Wi-Fi not turning on problem on iPhone. So the first step is to open your settings application. Now when you open it, you can just manually open your Wi-Fi by clicking on this right here. And as you can see, you need to enable and disable this Wi-Fi button real quick. So, and it should work right now if you click on connect. Second thing you can do is to open control center, enable airplane mode, hold it for 10 seconds, and when 10 seconds pass, you can just disable it and disable everything else but Wi-Fi connection. Now, if this still isn't working, step that will work 100% is force restart. So how you can force restart your iPhone? That's by clicking volume down and volume up and then holding power button until your phone turn off and Apple logo appears. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.